I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful